All right, so now that we've gone through introductions, can everyone share their experiences with test anxiety? Maybe start with Kenzie.
Yeah, so before every AP bio exam, I've been throwing up, and I don't do that with any of my other classes.
Okay, interesting. Kathy, would you like to share that?
Yes. Every test that I take, I feel like I'm going to fail, and I just can't seem to focus. And this is when I study and prepare for all my tests.
Okay, so you're having trouble thinking positively. All right, Bob, can you share?
Sure. I second guess myself every time I take a test. If I take a multiple choice test, I probably change half my answers. I never go with my first instinct.
Okay, thank you. Now, Shane, can you share?
Yeah, during my chemistry test, I could feel my heart racing, and I also experienced shortness of breath.
Okay, thank you. Thank you guys for sharing. Now, test anxiety is common among high school students. It can cause physical symptoms and also emotional reactions that can interfere with your ability to perform well on tests. So now I'm going to teach you guys all a breathing exercise. It's called the 4-7-8 technique. So what we're going to do, you breathe in for 4 seconds, you hold your breath for 7 seconds, and then you exhale for 8 seconds. All right, so I'd like everyone to close their eyes now, and we're gonna do this exercise. All right, so go ahead and inhale for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now exhale for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. How does that feel? How you guys feel?
Yeah.
Good?
Feels good.
All right, so now we're going to try it again. We're going to do it 2 more times. All right? So go ahead and breathe in for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys feeling?
Better, yeah.
Relaxed? All right.
Very
A lot more relaxed.
All right. Last time now. So go ahead and close your eyes again. Breathe in for 4 seconds. 2, 3, 4. Hold for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And exhale for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. How's everyone feeling? Can you guys all share?
Very relaxed.
Can you guys share your
Ready for the
experiences?
test.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
awesome. Good to hear. So can you guys share your experiences and feelings? Let's start with you, Kathy.
I feel very relaxed.
Good.
I know I can do this.
Good. Awesome. Now, Bob, can you share?
I feel a lot better. I just don't know if this will help me when I have to take a test.
Okay. Okay. Well, I still want you to try it. All right. What's the
Okay.
worst that can happen?
Gotcha.
And now, Shane, can you share?
Yeah, I feel like I could focus on my breathing a lot more after doing this exercise, and I believe this will help me, my shortness of breath and my heart rate
Perfect.
when I take tests in the future.
Good to hear. Good to hear. And Kenzie, can you share?
I agree with Bob. I feel really relaxed, but I'm just not sure how it will help with my nausea before the tests.
Okay, well, I still want you to try it just to see how it goes, okay? Okay, so the 4-7-8 technique is a way to cope with test anxiety, but there's also other ways. Food and beverages, specifically water, are great ways to cope with test anxiety. You guys should be eating well the day of the test. And also physical exercise. You guys should be exercising, a couple times a week at least. It's good for test anxiety. And also sleep, especially the night before the test. You guys should be getting around like 8 hours of sleep or so. So now I'm going to give you guys homework. The next time you're experiencing test anxiety, I want you guys to do the breathing activity either before or during the test. I want you guys to try the 4-7-8 technique. And then during the next counseling session, we will talk about it and see if it worked for you guys, all right? So now who can tell me the first step of the technique, the breathing technique?
Breathe in for 4 seconds.
All right, the second step,
Hold your breath for 7 seconds.
hold your breath, good, and the last step.
Exhale for 8 seconds.
Good, you guys got it, awesome. Perfect. So now who can tell me 2 ways how to cope with test anxiety?
Eat well and hydrate.
Good. All right, you guys. Thank you all for coming. And oh, you have a question?
I would add sleeping.
Sleeping. Yep. Good. Sleep is good. Yep. Exactly. So now I have a handout for you guys, just in case you forget about the technique, and it also goes
Thank
over
you.
stuff about
Thank
test
you.
anxiety. So that concludes it for today, and we'll see you guys next week.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.